Next exercise, go to the next exercise, exercise 4.2. The first question, here we are using code language. Beta see, in a certain code, reason is written as 621754. The exercise 4.2 code reason. Question number first, reason it can be written as reason. Always write coding words in the capital letters, capital alphabets. 621754. What does it mean? It means R stands for the 6, E stands for the 2, A as 1, 7 as 7, S as 7, O as 5, and N as 4. Okay, now truth. In the first question, same given truth. Truth is 8 6 9 8 3. By using these codes means code of R is 8, code of E is 2, code of A is 1, code of S is 7. All the codes are given of these letters. We have to find code for present. Now what about T? This is 8. What about T? This is 8. What about R? R is 6. Check this side also. R is 6. What about E? E is 2. What about A? A is 1. What about S? S is 7. O, next digit, next alphabet O. O as 5. Next alphabet N, that is as 4. So this is our code for present. Clear? Second question. D is as 4. Cover is as 63. What is the code of basis? Without seeing the base of this, we can't find without the base of this. Now let us go to the page number. 84. Let us go to the page number 84. Come to the page number 84. See Raji, here code language is given. A denotes write alphabets, all alphabets in the series, counting from 1 to the up to alphabets. As we know, there are 26 alphabets, 1 to Z. Write 1 to 26 counting. Now 1 denotes to A, B denotes to 2, C 3. Write alphabets in series and write counting as in the series. Okay, now let us check from here. Cover question compared with the question. Cover is 63. Let us come firstly to the cover. C denotes 3, O 15, V 22, E 5, R 18. Okay, they given answer of cover is 63. What is the answer of basis? What to do, Raji? How to get 63? Let us add. Firstly, let us add. After addition, we are seeing we are getting our answer or not. Okay, let us add all the numbers. See, 15 plus 3 is 18, plus 5 plus 18 plus 22. 18 plus 18, this is 36. 18 plus 18 is 36, plus 22 plus 5 is 27. 36 plus 27. 6 plus 7, 13. 1 carry 3 to 5 plus 1 6. We are getting after addition our answer 63. Now we have to find answer for basis. We have to find our answer for basis. B, that is 2. A, that is 1. S 19. What about I? I is 9. Okay, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 9, 12, 3 plus 9 is 12. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 9 is 12. 19 plus 9, 19 2s are 38. Now 38 plus 12, answer is 15. So what is the answer of basis? What is the chord for basis? This is 50. This is our answer. Clear? Clear to all of you? See Rajay, go to the next question. This question you can do on the book. 29, 25, 21, 17, 13. See Rajay, 29, how we get 25? If we will minus 4. 29 minus 4, 25. 25 minus 4, 21. 21 minus 4, 17. 17 minus 4, 13. 13 minus 4, 9. 9 minus 4, 5. 5 minus 4, 5 minus 4, there is 1. So answer is 9, 5 and 1. Next, 4, 6, 9, 13, 18. See, how to get 6? Either we can say 2 multiply 2, 2 multiply 3, but if 2 multiply 4, that is 8, so we can't write. Now 4, if we add 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 4 13, 13 plus 5 18, 18 plus 6, 18 plus 6 is 24, 24 plus 7 31, 31 plus 8, this is 39. So answer is 24, 31 and 39. Next part you do by yourself. This is the table of multiply 3. 3 1 here 1. 1 3 is 3. 3 3 is 9. 9 3 is 27. 27 3 is 81. 81 3 is 243. 243 3 is 729. 729 3 is you multiply and write your answer. Okay. Now see, complete the following magic square. 12 1 14 7. Here in the first box all the digits are mentioned. What to do now? Beta, we have to check either we are talking about row or we are talking about column. Either we are talking about row and we are talking about column. We want our answer same. Either we are multiplying, either we are doing addition. That is depends on you. That is magic square. We have to think here. Let me add firstly 12 plus 1 13, 12 plus 1 13, 13 plus 14, 13 plus 14, that is 27, 27 plus 7, that is the 34. This way we got 34. Now this side means this side also, if we want to solve that side also we want 34. Now check, 12 plus 13 is 25. 12 plus 13 is 25. 25 plus 6 is 31. What the number we will add in 31 to get 34? 31 plus 3 is 34, means here 3. This answer we got 3. Now come to the second line. 10 plus 8 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. We want 34. Subtract from 34. Subtract 19 from 34. After subtraction, what we will get? Or what is the number we will add in 19 to get 34? That is 50. Clear? Now come to this line. Now there are two numbers which are absent. What to do? Check as row. 13, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 13, 10 plus 13, that is 23. Which number we will add in 23 to get 34? That is 11. Clear? This number now solve as row, solve as column. That is depends on you. Now next, 14 plus 11. 14 plus 11 is 25. 25 plus 4. 25 plus 4 is 29. What is the answer? What is the number we will get? That is 5. When we add 5 to get 34. What about next now? 7 plus 2 9. 9 plus 16. 9 plus 16. This is 25. 25 here. What is the answer? What is the number we subtract from? What is the number we add in 29 to get 34? That is 5. This is here answer. Similarly, complete second one by yourself. Clear? Clear, Ajay? This is your answer. Now, question number 5th. Question number 5th.